Effect of Model Code of Conduct on tenders and work orders. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the ECI guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. What do we mean by the term Model Code of Conduct? Model Code of Conduct is a set of norms evolved with the consensus of political parties who have consented to abide by the principles embodied in the said code. It also binds political parties to respect and observe Model Code of Conduct in its letter and spirit. Time period of application. Model Code of Conduct comes into operation right from the time and day the election schedule is announced by the Election Commission. It remains in operation till completion of election process as per the election notification. What it says on auction and tender. There will be ban on conduct of major auction tenders by government agencies. Tenders other than the global tenders that are already floated may be evaluated but not finalized without prior approval of the Commission. If tenders are not already floated, they shall not be floated without prior approval of the Commission. What about work order? The work which has already been started on ground may be continued. No fresh work shall be started till the completion of the elections. Tenders are not to be finalized during the period of elections. There shall be no bar to the release of payments for completed work, subject to the full satisfaction of the concerned officials. Suppose a work order has been issued in respect of a scheme or a program. Can it be started after announcement of election program? Work shall not be started in respect of which work order has been issued before announcement of election, if the work has actually not started in the field. If a work was actually started in the field, that can be continued. What about housing scheme or Awas Yojana? Beneficiaries who have been sanctioned housing scheme and have started work will be assisted as per norms. No new construction will be taken up. No finalization of fresh beneficiaries till the elections are over. What about Rozgar Yojana? Works in progress may be continued and funds earmarked for such work can be released. New works can be started from approved annual action plan for the current year with the prior consent of the district election officer. What are the directions on Manrega? The job card holders will be provided employment in the ongoing work if they demand work after announcement of the elections. In case no employment can be provided in ongoing works, the competent authority may start new work from the shelf of projects that has been approved and inform the fact to the concerned district election officer. No new works will be started by the competent authority till such time employment can be given in ongoing works. In this video, we have seen what the MCC says about tenders and auctions. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown on the screen. Thank you.